To weather now, and there's a chance for some thunderstorms overnight, and after that it's going to start feeling a lot like summer.
Chief Meteorologist George Lessons joins us from the Weather Center with a first look at the forecast.
About a week ago, we started previewing the warm summer-like temperatures coming our way this week, and that is on the horizon. Strong warm front coming through. It's going to bring us some thunderstorms just about everywhere tonight. We can look off to the west. We've got some high clouds already starting to move on in. That's tops of those thunderstorms that are now pushing across much of the Midwest. You can see them moving through central Wisconsin, right around the Madison, Wisconsin area. If they continue to move off to the east at the present rate and speed, they'll come on shore right around 8 o'clock in the evening along the lakeshore. So if you got some evening plans, you'll want to watch out for those as they move on in. And they do contain quite a bit of lightning strikes and some heavy downpours. But right now, I don't think we're going to see any severe weather. It'll be on the marginal side, but there is a enhanced risk from Lake Michigan back to the west through southern portions of Minnesota. It's warming up out there. We're currently at 76 degrees, upper 70s at the lakeshore. That's because we have a southeast wind, but the clouds will increase, and along with that, chance of thunderstorms. So overnight, expect some non-severe thunderstorms, and then up to 86 here tomorrow. That'll be our warmest of the season. It'll be humid in the afternoon and also Wednesday. Then a few showers to the north on Thursday before we have a cool down for the weekend. What's ahead for the weekend? We'll take a look at that coming up a little bit later on.
Beautiful start to the week, but we're going to see more summer-like weather even later in the week.
Yeah, before that, George is out on the weather deck, and George talking about some storms we might see beforehand.
Before this weather pattern changes, which we talked about last week, we got to get through some showers and thunderstorms tonight. So keep an eye on that weather app on your phone for when those showers and thunderstorms may arrive in your community. We're not anticipating severe weather, but you know, that's always a possibility. 13 weather ball is blinking bright because of the overnight showers and thunderstorms in sight, but they'll be quickly out of the area tomorrow morning. It's also red, 13 weather ball that is, and that means warm, summer-like humidity and heat ahead. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Mostly sunny skies at 7. We've got some high clouds starting to come on in. These are the tops of the thunderstorms off to our west, just blowing on in. We'll be still at 75, but showers and thunderstorms arriving shortly afterwards, affecting the Grand Rapids area, starting as early as 10 o'clock perhaps, and lasting through at least 2 a.m. And then we'll see those move on out. We'll start the day with partly cloudy skies, and temperatures and humidity still on the comfortable side. But you can see this area of showers and storms racing through central Wisconsin, now heading toward Milwaukee. That will be arriving at the lakeshore by at least 8 o'clock, maybe a little bit after that. And then closer to 9, 10 o'clock in Grand Rapids. It's moving pretty quickly. Most of these have not had any severe weather with them, so there are no severe thunderstorm watches, but there is a lot of lightning, and any shower or a thunderstorm contains lightning. That's just an occurrence when thunderstorms come on through, but again, it's just as dangerous as perhaps hail and high winds. And the highest risk right in through here from with Milwaukee back to the west, this is an enhanced risk. We have a marginal risk, which is on the lowest end of the scale, so we're not anticipating anything bad here tonight. But let's track this area of thunderstorms on our high resolution model. Here it is at 7 o'clock. By 8 o'clock, it moves out over Lake Michigan and continues to push to the east. You can see it's right over central Lake Michigan. Wouldn't be surprised if there's some special marine warnings issued. By 9 o'clock, it's starting to knock on the door here in Grand Rapids. By 10 o'clock, it's coming down pretty good. And then by 11 o'clock, it starts to push to the east of Grand Rapids, but there's going to be another line that develops in the wake of that, so we're not going to be done with the first one. So a couple of rounds of storms. Again, we're not anticipating any severe weather, but that's a possibility. You can see right in through here and to the north. This is where the warm front's going to be sitting by tomorrow morning, and that'll advance to the north over the next few days, and as that does, it's going to take all of the showers and thunderstorms with it to the north over during the day tomorrow and tomorrow night, and that's where they're going to stay until about Thursday afternoon. There's a chance of some showers and storms, but as that warm front moves through, man, the humidity is going to go up a whole lot. Temperatures are going to be at our warmest point of the season so far. You can see that on our overnight forecast. You can see showers and thunderstorms moving onshore here in the next several hours. 57 north to 61 south. Still comfortable humidities tonight. Up north, you'll be in the mid-50s. Again, showers and thunderstorms developing from west to east, moving fairly quickly. Grand Rapids southward, evening thunderstorms starting as early as 9 o'clock in Grand Rapids, maybe a little bit later over toward Battle Creek and Ionia. But again, overnight lows mid-50s to near 60. Turning up the heat, turning up the humidity, starting Tuesday afternoon through early Thursday morning. That's when we got a cold front coming through. We'll see the next round of rain, perhaps Thursday, and then cooler to start our weekend. Friday, 68. Saturday will be up to 72 with some afternoon showers, and those showers will continue overnight into Sunday. 13 on target forecast. Yeah, this weekend won't be anywhere near as nice as this last weekend. We'll still be in the low to mid 70s. And then we're going to turn cooler again behind that, back down into the mid and upper 60s. But by that time, that is below average temperatures for this time of year. So here comes summer next 2 or 3 days.
Up and down. All right, George, thanks.